Welcome to Rosewood Mayakoba Resort, a breathtaking destination nestled along the stunning Riviera Maya coast of Mexico. Imagine waking up every morning to the sound of gentle waves and the soft rustling of palm trees. This is the life you can experience here. As soon as you step through the entrance, you're greeted by lush greenery and tranquil waterfalls that lead your eyes toward an expansive horizon. The resort's architecture seamlessly blends Mayan culture with modern elegance, creating a unique ambiance that feels both welcoming and exotic. Rosewood Mayakoba Resort offers a variety of accommodations, from luxurious beachfront villas to spacious suites, each designed to offer the ultimate in comfort and privacy. Your personal butler is just one example of the exceptional service you can expect here. Think personalized attention, tailored experiences, and amenities that make your stay truly unforgettable. The resort boasts an array of dining options, ranging from authentic Mexican cuisine to international flavors. Enjoy a meal under the stars or savor a sunset cocktail while taking in the spectacular views. The culinary team at Rosewood Mayakoba is dedicated to crafting exquisite dishes using only the freshest ingredients sourced locally. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the resort's spa offers a wide array of treatments inspired by traditional mind healing practices. Indulge in a massage or try one of their unique signature therapies, ensuring you leave feeling refreshed and revitalized. Nature enthusiasts will find plenty to explore just steps from your doorstep. Take a dip in the clear blue waters, go snorkeling among vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life, or set out on a nature walk through the lush jungle that surrounds the resort. For those who prefer land-based activities, golfing is also available with stunning views of the Caribbean Sea. But Rosewood Mayakoba isn't just about the amenities and services, it's about creating memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply seeking a perfect getaway, this resort offers everything you need to make your dreams come true. So why wait? Start planning your visit to Rosewood Mayakoba Resort today. You deserve nothing but the very best, and this is the destination that promises to exceed all of your expectations.